Oh, thanks for continuing to watch. You are my super fan. As a treat, you know I have extra clips. Here's the wine festival in Tavira. My friends Sherry and Janet from San Diego, who moved here to my town, enjoy a great evening together with me at the wine festival in Tavira. Oh, this is lovely.
Go through here when there's like this much water.
Sherry, where's Janet? Did we lose her? Oh, this is lovely.
Quero ser velha, velhinha, dentes postiços.
This feels very Venetian. Look over there. Pine forest butts right up against the beach. So you go right from beach to a few small sand dunes. Just beautiful trail. Breathe deeply. Oops, few bumps. And it's just gorgeous through here. And there's lots of little biking trails. This one's paved. There's tons of trails for hiking, biking, walking. Oops, it's a little bit of wind as I'm hiking through here. Hope that doesn't get too bad. It's just gorgeous. And some good hills, so get a little bit of interval training. Try to stay in shape out here.
Yeah.